The attention is on Friday, which we have deemed a severe winter weather day, where we'll see that dangerous cold settle in with that blast of Arctic air. So Friday morning, temperatures below zero and that wind chill 20 to 30 below zero. So it won't take long for frostbite to settle in. And then in the afternoon, we really don't warm up. Temperatures near zero, and still with those feels like temperatures likely double digits below zero. So already National Weather Service has extreme cold watches out north and east of the Omaha Metro. This right now being highlighted for the potential for those 30 below zero wind chill values. So as we get closer, we'll likely see some cold weather advisories and extreme cold warnings be issued for our area. But dangerous cold with the worst of it Friday morning. Today, though, impact weather because we've got a wind advisory for most of the area, including the I-80 corridor here in the Omaha Metro. Late morning through the early evening, we'll see those gusts potentially 40 to 50 miles per hour. So the wind really ramping up here in the Metro from noon to around 5 o'clock as the wind turns more northwesterly. So it'll be quite windy, but we'll get a quick warm up. You see on the 12-hour forecast, grab the heavy jacket this morning, teens and 20s to start. We'll see the sunshine, but you see the impact 1, 3, and 5 as we'll see some of the strongest wind, likely peaking in the mid 40s around 2 o'clock, and you see those temperatures falling late, already in the mid 30s by the time we hit 5 o'clock. Mainly clear, quiet right now, looking over downtown Omaha here early on this Wednesday morning. 23 degrees, wind fairly light right now, so no difference at the moment between the temperature and feels like in Omaha, but most temperatures in the teens and 20s where we have a little bit more of a breeze this morning. You can see it feels like 6 in Norfolk, 8 in Norfolk, 6 in York, 2 in Harlan, where we're seeing some of those wind speeds around 10 miles per hour. So again, make sure you've got the heavy jacket early on and still even later in the day. As we've got clear skies now, first of a couple fronts going to be dropping through. This one up in North Dakota right now, bringing some light snow. Better chance for light snow again will be farther north of us today. I'll show you here on Storm Predictor. But again, the gusty winds will precede it. As you see, by noon, we'll see a few clouds, temperatures near 40. 2, 3 o'clock will likely peak in the 40s, some scattered light rain, snow showers, more likely just north of Denison and Carroll. And then as the wind turns more northwesterly, we'll see those temperatures drop into the mid 30s by 5 o'clock tomorrow morning, starting off in the teens. And then the Arctic front arriving as we head through the afternoon on Thursday. So we'll still see highs around 30 degrees, but then that wind chill already dropping below zero later Thursday evening. And then check this out, by Friday morning, 6 below in Omaha. Could see several spots double digits below zero with the air temperature by Friday morning, and that wind gusting 20, possibly up to 30 miles per hour. So that's what's going to lead to those extreme wind chill values, probably around 30 below zero. So not going to see that wind chill really even near zero by the afternoon, with Friday the coldest day, and still impact weather Saturday and Sunday with sub-zero wind chills expected for the bulk of the day Saturday and through the morning on Sunday. So a prolonged stretch of brutal cold on the way.